Los Santos. A vast city full of leisure activities, sun hours, expensive show-off cars and crime. All sorts of shady business takes place here, like robberies, violence, drugs and destruction. A city like this needs a protector. A man who the people can trust. A true hero. Which brings us to this remarkable individual who has devoted his life to be the savior of Los Santos. Which is me.
Said that your boyfriend is too feminine. Like he played both sides of the sushi bar, but he don't like fish or surf clam. He only like octopus.
We interrupt your overly expensive paid subscription on Senpai TV to bring you the following news. Last night, a suspicious individual has been sighted near the train depot in East Los Santos. Here is the camera footage that was captured. As you can see, this dangerous individual wears a gun in his hands.
Ha! So what? Everyone in the States has a weapon.
And he can easily be recognized by his fur collar.
Unforgivable. It's justice time.
Give me all the money! And quick!
I know the drill, okay? Calm down! That's every last cent, I swear!
Who is that? I surrender! Okay. Okay.
This is it. The place from the video. Seems no one is here anymore. Need to look around for some clues. Are those tire tracks? I wonder where they lead me to. The van. He must be nearby. You there! We need to have a little chatter about what you did last night. Get off there right now!
What if I choose not to?
Damn it! getting away. I need this. Where is he going with that train? Coming through! Sorry! Out of the way! Damn it. Got a little off track. This is it. I have trained my whole life for this.
I need you to stop this train, good sir. It is utterly important for me. You and I both know what happens when the train goes on.
If I stop this train, they will kill me. Oh yeah, and someone just jumped on.
I'll be right back. We both know I now have to kill you. You just have to imagine the fire.
I came here to stop you.
I was wondering what to break first. Your spirit or your body?
And I was wondering why you have that mask on your face.
You see, I have a severe case of asthma. Cannot comprehend the consequences if this train gets to its destination.
I don't need to know. All I know is I need to stop you. Fur-coated baldy. out of steam?
This will be extremely painful.
For you. Got him. Let's get back home and celebrate the power of justice. What a productive day. I stopped the villain from executing his evil plan. Everyone can sleep without fear of evil. What would the city be without me?